Machita namaGrootman AFCON 2025 Group B Match Day 3 Zimbabwe versus Bafana Bafana Stade Marrakesh Morocco. Kule video sajonga Hugo Broos starting lineup azosibopha against Zimbabwe. Expected 2 lineup changes and 1 tactical change. At the end of the video nizovumelana nam. Before I get into starting lineup against Zimbabwe, Hugo Broos, let me talk about the Egypt game. Hugo Broos owes us into bafethu uyasityala Hugo Broos. Show a referee against Egypt uPacific ndiyeba Bihima wenze flop ezasicosta game, but Hugo Broos naye usityise before referee. The approach game from Hugo Broos was overly negative. It was a crime with blood on his hands, Hugo Broos. It was a crime, Hugo Broos. That must never ever happen again. Egyptians are all about organization. Egyptians are all about stopping football. Abantu bayanqanda ibhola, abayicreate abadlali ibhola. Thina besingabantu abanqanda ibhola kula game. Besinqanda ifootball ngala game. Besingadlali. Hugo Broos Hugo Broos awuniphula inhliziyo ngale nto ayenzileyo bafethu. Singalibala support channel bafethu. Ushaye ulike okanye if eqala udibana channel ungalahle ngophosa uzwezi grand. Ushaye usubscribe. Sileqa u20,000 subscribers bafethu. Mocho. Yasho ke second half Bafana Bafana iyabayila wenga la Machita siwaziyo. But loo nto yabonakala zifi ngathi yenzeka because bafumene red card. But Bafana Bafana la way ibino yenza ngoku Egypt iphelele say 11 players. Hugo Broos iwazuta Machita. He stopped South African players from being South African players. Banika Machita bayeke na creative enterprise Machita as express. Egyptians can't cope with that. High possession, dominance, high technical quality, movement. Hugo Broos prevented all of that. Saxhomeka ki-diagonal balls eziya straight ku-Apolis okanye kuMoremi. But la disk i-1 iyakwazi ufika pha ku-Apolis okanye kuMoremi with Umbatha edriver nayo isiya pha. And xa uyiplayer xa udriver nebhola uhamba nayo fika phana iyakwazi uthola uMoremi right okanye uApolis right okanye uthola uMbuli number 10 position. Central midfielder yakho xa idriver icombine noMoremi uApolis noFoster bayakwazi ukwenza i-runs while nina nibhizi link up play. Isikhathi i-defense yeZimbabwe kwenye Egypt iyavuleka, but if ushaya i-diagonal ball kulula i-defender lona ngoba izaba i-defender i-1 qha yeZimbabwe kwenye Egypt ezovele i-challenge for la ball. Abanye abantu basahleli babambe i-structure. That's why Bafana Bafana iyasokola khangikwazi ubreak down i-Egypt la first half, khangikwazi ukudlala phofu. So Hugo Broos funeka change approach. Hugo Broos bafethu ngelishwa le habit lo mkhuba kudala emenza bafethu and ngelishwa wasibinela ne-bronze medal AFCON 2024. Bafana Bafana if nikhumbula grand bafethu ay ultra defensive because the games 3 games zawina ki-penalty after goalless draws. Morocco lisashaya 2-0 as counter attacks eziya uMokoena kuzashaya free kick wafoul during counter attack. Hugo Broos bafethu and bafethu le way is not being unfair to Hugo Broos okanye being ungrateful. Hugo Broos Bafana Bafana don't play like this qualifiers AFCON qualifiers plus World Cup qualifiers. Why are you changing in tournament? As players as good condition to play like this. Orlando Pirates Sundowns adlala idisk enjeyana kwi-Betway Premiership nase-Africa. I-rhythm ne-pace ye-Betway Premiership ayikho njeyana. So Hugo Broos why is he changing adlala ngalo hlobo? And talking about i-Betway Premiership bafethu Hugo Broos yakhumbula iziwe wethanda uzithetha ziyabonakala ngoku. Yakhumbula ngeza early years Hugo Broos ba kusejonga i-Betway Premiership yethu ayikho high level ngendlela sicingela ngayo. Why kuthetha loo nto ngokusho baya kuse-Europe higher level. Players alapha azinolunga pha kula higher level. Okay sure funeka sihloniphe level, but kusukwenza loo nto ebaleni so approach igame ngelo hlobo. uBroos wenze lo against Egypt wabona amagama players e-Egypt zidlala ki-high levels than i-Betway Premiership, so very very dangerous. So we must be very cautious, we must be tight. Bafana Bafana ability overly respectful towards Egypt average kanjani Machita. Iwande icapukele wenze Hugo Broos Machita. On igame bafethu Bafana Bafana edlalile apha against similar opposition against Algeria nayo zi-top dogs Africa ayi-friendly. Bafana Bafana ayithatha imatch ayiseka Algeria ngala day. Bafana Bafana thina ngadlala ngela hlobo ngo-Hugo Broos ekhumula fisa ile kanjani Algeria akho mehluko Algeria ne-Egypt. Hugo Broos even a last AFCON bedlala ngehlobo against Nigeria masebenze i-natural flair yethu Hugo Broos against Nigeria qualifiers. Hugo Broos uqala uzinike players i-freedom late in the second half. Hugo Broos no. In most attacking styles ziqala nge-attack uwine i-game and then you can manage the game after that ke ngoku ube cautious ube structured. So Machita going into the lineup eZimbabwe expected lineup. Hugo Broos uzakwenza 2 changes player changes at the same time ayenze 1 tactical change. Ronwen Williams akazuphuma epalini number 1 wethu right back best right back Africa. Khuliso Midau left back Aubrey Modiba ibhozeli yana sikayibona ibest yayo. Combination play midfield leya evelidlala number 8 ngolidlala left back. Hugo Broos umbophile umtshita akwazi ukwenza ezo way. pha emqeni center Siphephelo Sithole drops. It's not because he's a bad player. And let me tell you why Umbatha makadlale phakule position ecanga Mokoena. Umbatha uzosinika the same defensive security, but Umbatha uzokunika equal quality but creator play, creator attacks. Yava keywords up, creativity. Umbatha uzokunika nalondo at the same time kunika security. Mokoena naye siyazi yakwazi ukwenza lo way. Bobayi-2 bazokwenza lo way. Bas protect at the same time ba create a play, ba combine no Apollos, no Mbule, no Mofokeng. Apha kule tournament yafika benginambona uSiphephelo Sithole ecombine driver nebhola ecombine noApollos okanye noMbule. Way Umbatha azayenza ke le. And then front line Tshepa Moremi ya drop ayo bad player bafethu uzophinda be grand as impact player from the bench. Otherwise maqale uRelebohile Mofokeng. And then uSipho Mbule number 10 position aphinda aqale izinguye i-replacement kaSiphephelo Sithole, but ayo direct replacement. Umbatha ebeqalile uyadropa to number 6 role, uMbule angene phakala 10 role. Left wing Oswin Apollos, ungamdlalisi right wing Hugo Broos, and then center forward bengu Lyle Foster. Ezi changes change approach. Teboho Mokoena, Talented Mbatha, be driver nebhola, be clearly combination play, no Apollos, no Mofokeng, no Mbule. Simple bafethu, create opportunities, score goals, dominate a game, dominating a possession, so dominating chances created, dominating a goal scored against any team up kule AFCON, not just Zimbabwe bafethu. So yeah, Hugo Broos bafethu mangafunde isifundo. And Hugo Broos mangazivezi ba South African players, South African football akayazi ngale ndlela besicefana uyazi ngayo. Come on tata man. Sudlala apha, sudlala ngathi. Sithini bafike ezini starting lineups. uGrand aqala uMofokeng, uGrand bayadraw uSiphephelo Sithole. iGrand idea bayadraw uSiphephelo Sithole. Kungene Umbatha apha kula midfield, and then uMbule athatha number 10 role. Ozona Apollos left. Nithini bafethu basinqola i-comment. Cela ngale bala support channel, shaye u-like okanye if eqala udibana channel ushaye subscribe. Moja bafethu.